Now that you're wrapping up your painting project for today, oh crap. Alright, now if you're wrapping up your painting project and you're thinking, what am I going to do with my brush? What am I going to do with my roller? You can grab a bag from a store, like this is from Menards, or you can grab one from a grocery store or whatever. You take your brush, stick it in this bag, and this will keep it nice for quite a while. You're not going to want to let it sit in there for weeks or anything, but you just take it, wrap your brush up, squeeze all the air out, wrap it up tight.
Then grab a little tape.
Yep.
And just wrap it around the end here, just to keep it all closed up real nice until the next time you use it.
Yeah. And as far as your bucket, you can just grab another
right there,
bigger bag, throw it over the top.
This is really nice to store because no air flow getting in there for the paint to dry. And then just run some tape around the lid here, seal it up, and it should be good.
Yeah.